Keep that buzz. Rubber side down.
You there, ladies and gents, how's it going? It's MOT time. Lord Vader needs his MOT. So I'm heading over to T North East to go and get it one. Now, I've not ridden this bike properly in a long time, and I'm really pleased to be able to get back out on it again. Now, obviously, I can only ride to the MOT and back at the moment because the rules in the UK means that you can't have tax until you've got an MOT, and you can't ride a bike without tax. But they have dispensation for when you're going along to your test, where you can ride there and ride back to a pre-booked MOT. So that's what I'm doing. I'm hoping it passes. I can't see why it wouldn't. I've done all the stuff to make it comply with the new MOT rules that come in last year. Fortunately, I didn't have to do them last year, but I do now. We got to comply. Now I'll show you what I've had to do to get it through its MOT. Some of you will have already seen some of the pictures and stuff if you follow my Facebook page. By the way, all of you that don't already, go and follow my Facebook page. It's brilliant. It's full of amazing stuff and things. Also, while you're at it, you may as well tick the subscribe button to my Instagram too, and my Twitter. All the links are on my channel page, so you can just click a button and then go and sub to them. Easy peasy, eh? Easy peasy. No, is it this one? No, it's not this one, it's the next one, isn't it? This is the one it is. So yes, go subscribe to my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook pages. You know you want to. It's going to be amazing. It will change your life, for the better even. Those of you that follow my channel for a little while now will have possibly seen a video of me approaching T North East almost a year ago. In fact, over a year ago, because this bike's run out of MOT a couple of months back. But it's just around this corner here. We just need these cars to bugger off so I can go and get to it. Get out of my way, everyone. And it's here. Here's T North East. They're a good bunch of guys, so I quite like giving them my custom. Oh my word, it looks like there's blooming loads of people here for MOTs. Basically, if you want an MOT from these guys, you have to pitch up at 4 o'clock and wait your blooming turn. Okay, so for the MOT, I've put on a big number plate. It looks stupid. I've put on standard exhaust pipes on both sides, and I've refitted the original headlight, which doesn't look too shabby, but it's not the look I wanted from the bike, but it does the job, and that job was giving me indicator mount points, which allows me to put indicators on it. So awesome. Let's see if we get an MOT today or not. Let's hope so. You are there. Time this well, haven't I? Everyone's got an MOT. Yeah. Damn it. Well, that was another successful venture. One MOT achieved. And I've also got myself some new indicators for the bike as well, because I don't like these on it. I want to change them so I can put these ones back on the Beta. And I've got some new cheapy ones. They weren't expensive, but a little bit more fitting with the design of the bike. So I'm going to shove them on. Not tonight though. So yeah, T North East, if you need an MOT or any spannery type works, go check them out. They're really good guys, absolutely friendly, very helpful, and they also happen to be an SWM dealership, which is something I'm really quite pleased about. So yeah, they're an SWM dealership, and the very nice man that was there, he mentioned to me that they've got an SWM open day coming up in April. So I am going to possibly skedaddle over there again at the beginning of April and go and check it out. I might be able to get myself a demo on some of their bikes, which would be quite awesome, because I'm really keen on the SWM SM500. I quite like the idea of a little supermoto in my life. Whether I ever get one or not, I don't know, that's a different thing altogether. But I massively miss mine, and if I've got a dealership around the corner that's going to have some demos in there, why not make advantage of that situation? Talking of things I like, I really quite like the new Transit Custom. It's got all the ticks in the boxes for a van for me at the moment. I'd love to get a van again. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to afford to at all, but I will try to. Not this year though, not this year. The money is not there for it this year. Seems to be running a bit smoother now. Blown the cobwebs out on the way here. It was a bit wet here. These tyres are shit in the wet. But yeah, it's purring away nicely. I do think it fuels better on these exhaust pipes than it does on my silly ones. And I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to be running those silly ones. I want some different silly ones. Trouble is, I haven't found anywhere that sells the different kind of silly ones that I want, so they might have to be custom made. But is there any point? Don't know. But it would be nice having exhaust pipes that fueled better than those stumpy little things, even though those stumpy little things do sound glorious. We shall see, we shall see. I hate this road, but it's better than the other roads. It's just because it's a shitty time of day. Anyway, traffic's boring, and I'm not really likely to get through it all because it's rush hour now. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a little thumbs up for the MoT pass, and thumbs up for the SWM demo day that I'm looking forward to in April the 6th. So I'm going to try and do that. Yes, if you didn't like this video, give it a little thumbs down, that's all cool, whatever's. But anyway, you ride safe, take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.
Keep that rubber sign down. You know, you gotta keep that rubber sign down.